Hello, and welcome to Thread Hunting, a hands on introduction, episode 11, the last episode. Get 'em. Just because, well, that's awesome. So, okay, there you go. You got a couple basics. A couple basics from someone else who has a couple basics, right? When you start, never forget to have a purpose, a hypothesis. Point blank, hunting without a purpose or a direction is both a waste of time and energy. And thirdly, it's a waste of money. So make sure you have a direction, a hypothesis. It'll serve you well. Kind of wrapping back to the beginning, pick your hunt. These are three very broad examples of ways to hunt. So let's go over their strengths and weaknesses. Anomalies, right? It can help you find suspicious behavior to further investigate. But there's a lot of rabbit holes and a lot of tuning involved. And be creative with it. There's a lot of ways to find anomalies. If you're good at statistics or interested, there's a lot of statistics out there that can help you weed through some of this and find things. It's very cool. Okay. 2, your TTPs. All right. By far, my personal favorite for hunting, because it lets you locate whole families of malicious activity. Right? And you know how we talked about evil is as evil does? Okay, if you find someone making a scheduled task to download a malicious file every day, okay, you pretty much got it nailed that you're on the right track. Now you just get to have the fun of filling it out and figuring out what is doing it. But it takes a lot of understanding and research, which is also super fun, right? And most of the time, you'll have something negative. And you'll learn a whole lot about how computers work in the meantime. Third one, IOCs. I feel like IOCs are a great way to get started. And also, they can kind of be the trickiest with the most gotchas. When you have a solid hit and you trust your IOC, it feels great. And your day got easy. You're like, okay, there we go. I know we got TrickBot. There it is. And you can send out the report. You can start DFIR. You can start remediation. And yeah, it's fantastic. Weakness, so much. So much volume. So much volume. Not only in possible IOCs that you're harvesting, but just in what you have to search through. If you like to do IOC huntings, I have a hunch you're going to get really good at scripting. You're going to build some skills in automation. So, and again, a whole nother kind of fun direction to go, right? So, yeah, if you get stuck, lean on these 3 ideas to kind of give you some guidance and help you avoid some rabbit holes so you can be better than I am, right? So, yeah, pick your hunt. Quite honestly, here's the coolest part of all. You get to be creative. There are so many different ways to hunt. There's so many different kinds of logic traps you can make. There are just, it's incredible. And the more you learn about an adversary that you're hunting, kind of, I don't know, it feels neat to know that you can tailor your hunts very specifically to who you're trying to find. You might get a lot of negatives, but it's cool. Outthink your adversaries, right? You know, big business, a lot of money's going through all of those banking Trojans and those botnets, right? This is big stuff, right? So you can start to try to think like perhaps the people who are organizing them. And it's kind of fun. Notes. I, unless you just have an incredible memory and you can remember everything, take a lot of notes. Save yourself time. That way you're always getting better. And yeah, research will never hurt you, ever. Never heard anyone say, gosh, I'm so sorry I researched so much on that threat. So, yeah, be creative. 10 people should hunt in 10 different ways. All right, so here's my little plug for a diverse security team. Okay, different people think different ways. Different people will hunt in different ways, and different people will find creative solutions because let's not lie to ourselves, we're not winning. We need to find a better way to do what we're doing, and we need creative solutions to do that. And you are the one who's going to be able to come up with it, and it's going to shake it all up, and it's going to be staring everyone else in the face, but you found a different way to do it. So get out there, go get them and start hunting. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I hope you tune in again.